Browsing through sometimes huge list of objects and effects can be tiring. Favorite system intention is to address this. On Add Layer Set Effects by menus, you will find entries for favorites where you can add or edit commonly used ones. Simply select an item or item with effect you want to add and call either Add Layer or Effects by menu via Ctrl or Shift plus Space, or dedicated Favorites menu via Ctrl or Shift plus F. If you want to remove or edit order of the entries in the Favorites list, simply open Favorite menu and click Edit Favorites. Next thing is to simply turn on Workbench Edit, click right mouse button to pop up options and delete it, or using left mouse button drag, move the objects up and down. You can also add dividers from the Workbench drop-down menu, which later you can also drag to reposition it. You will find Favorites menu also on Gradients texture layer, where it will definitely help you with getting around huge list of input parameters.